Find features that distinguish it from other brands for MAISON Backyard's MBY Charcoal Smoker Grill Combo with Offset Firebox. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Smoker and Grill Combo, 2-in-1 BBQ Power. Enjoy the best of both worlds with this charcoal grill and offset smoker combo. Grill juicy steaks or slow smoke ribs to perfection, ideal for backyard BBQs, camping, or tailgating. Offset Firebox for classic smoky flavor. The built-in offset firebox delivers authentic wood smoke taste. Great airflow design ensures consistent heat for even cooking across meats and vegetables. Spacious cooking surface with warming rack. Main cooking area and secondary warming rack provide plenty of space to cook for family and friends. Perfect for parties, picnics, and weekend gatherings. Side shelf and bottom storage for convenience. Equipped with a sturdy side shelf for easy prep and a bottom rack for storage, keep your grilling tools, seasonings, or charcoal close at hand. Portable and heavy-duty steel construction. Made with durable steel and built for frequent outdoor use. Easy to transport and ideal for patios, parks, or camping sites. Reliable and built to last. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.